Okay, we left off the last things here. We left off the last things here like this. So what Codeigniter do? First it loads the view folder and see there is anything to view. Here we have the welcome message underscore message dot php. So this tells then it goes to the control folder and see what if there is an any php file, and the controller should have the view loaded the view folder like this. So this dot loader view welcome underscore message, this the file here is loading the index function. So this method tells the Codeigniter that go to the view folder and show the welcome underscore message dot php. So we don't need the extension dot php here, and it automatically detect the dot php extension, so we don't need to call this function. So let's go to the browser. So we need to configure something to install this. Let's go to the config and config.php, and we have to locate this base URL. You should see this will be null for you guys, and you have to locate your base URL. If it is something your domain.com, then you have to locate this your domain or the root directory of this Codeigniter where you want to install it. Then you need to enter the encryption key for the security. Just generate some encryption key from the Codeigniter site. And now let's move on to autoload. And autoload, here you need to some changes. You need to put some things like that. The database session XML, what are the libraries Codeigniter will autoload in this framework. These are the database session and XML RPC, and the helper file should be URL and file, and the config should be only config. And we need to create we need to put some database information here. So we are not yet create any database, so we will create a database. Let's put some information here. Password null, database name will be Codeigniter underscore blog. Let's save this and go back to the browser. You should see a database occurred because we didn't create the database yet. So let's go to localhost phpMyAdmin, localhost phpMyAdmin, and create a database for this Codeigniter database. Codeigniter underscore blog, and the collection should be UTF-8 channel CI. Then you can easily. So we created the database, and let's see now we are getting any. No, we are not getting any error. So if we go to the welcome underscore message dot php and delete all these things, select all these things, and type something like this. Hello Codeigniter. Let's save it and go back to the browser, see what it shows. Yes, we have done our installation. So thank you for staying with me. We'll be back soon. Thank you so much.